of the most interesting things about a Marine Expeditionary Unit, it's a slice of almost every capability or component that the Marine Corps has. So it's got everything from an infantry battalion to an F-35 squadron, to V-22s, to Hueys and Cobras, to 53s.
BLT-17 is the ground combat element for the 31st MEU, so our responsibility is to deliver combat power ashore in support of the MEU's objectives. Our headquarters is here on the USS America, which is the flagship. We've got a small boat company that's located on the USS San Diego, and we have our mechanized and motorized elements, which are on the USS Rushmore. ACVs and the Rushmore are able to move that vehicle platform into place where it can go ship to shore, move inland at rapid rate of speed, and close with objectives. Simultaneously, the San Diego has small boats and LCACs leaving the well deck, going over the horizon 25 plus nautical miles to achieve objectives before adversaries even know that we're in the theater. America can operate even a greater extended range based on the legs of the V-22 and the F-35, launching heliborne raid packages into deep inland objectives and rapidly closing with whatever adversary it is that we find on the deck there. That is really how the Navy ARG enables us to warfight across domains in multiple theaters and move the positions more rapidly than our adversary can deliver their combat forces there.
My name is David Evan Moore, First Sergeant, Unit Senior Enlisted Leader for Animal Company, Battalion Landing Team 17. Animal Company's mission sets within the BLT and the MEU construct is to provide an aerial platform for amphibious insertion, amphibious operations, being able to go from ship to shore and conduct anything that might be NEO-related, obviously combat operations, or anything else that we get called upon to do. We bring a whole lot of lethality to that, and we bring a lot of capability, and so that we can be placed into any situation and expected to execute.
The MEU is special. The purpose of the MEU, the mission of the MEU, in a sentence or two, it's day zero. It's first night of the war readiness. That when the nation calls, we're ready to do anything that we're man-trained and equipped to accomplish. We're here, right? We've got skin in the game.